In this video, we will show you the transition from PhraseExpress using the PhraseExpress server to using an SQL server. Here you can see the PhraseExpress client manager of the PhraseExpress server. If you have license keys with active maintenance, switch to the tab License Keys, highlight all license keys and press the Delete key and click on Update to release the license keys for use with the SQL server. Then exit the client manager. Then download and install the PhraseExpress SQL client manager. If you don't have any Microsoft SQL server running, the installation routine offers you to install the Microsoft SQL server in the free Express edition. Just make sure to keep this selected. After installation of the SQL client manager, the installer launches the installation of the SQL server. Click on Install and grab a coffee or a tea because installation will take a while. Okay. If you are being prompted to restart the computer, do so. And after a restart, exit the PhraseExpress client again. Then launch the PhraseExpress SQL client manager you just installed. You may be prompted to use the standard TCP port, which you must confirm, especially if you use PhraseExpress for Mac. Okay, let's switch to the tab License Keys to register your existing license keys. Click Update to register them online. Now keep running the SQL Client Manager in the background. This will allow the new clients to find the SQL Server connection automatically. Let's install the new PhraseExpress clients. Make sure to keep the Microsoft SQL Server support selected. Open the new client. And in the phrase tree, you can see the PhraseExpress Server connection with your existing phrase library and the new SQL database node. Now you can transfer your phrases from one phrase node to the other. Just select the desired phrases. If you press the Shift key while selecting, you can select multiple items. And then if you drag them to the database and keep pressing the Control key, you will copy the phrases instead of just moving them. Now you have two instances of your phrases. One hosted on the PhraseExpress server and one on the SQL database. We don't need the server connection anymore, so right-click and select Unload. Now you are using PhraseExpress with the SQL database. The PhraseExpress server is not needed anymore, so you can uninstall it. Now go to all workstations and install the new client. And make sure to keep the PhraseExpress SQL Client Manager running in the background so all clients can find the SQL database automatically. If this should fail for any reason, open the PhraseExpress main program window. And you can also connect to the SQL database by clicking on File, Open, Connect to SQL database. Then enter the connection information or load the configuration file, which you can create from the PhraseExpress SQL Client Manager.